Mastering Malay can be a game changer for your travels. First, focus on essential phrases like terima kasih for thank you and selamat pagi for good morning. These small gestures go a long way in connecting with locals. Next, embrace the beauty of Malay pronunciation. It's phonetic. If you see a word, pronounce it as it's written. For example, buku means book, and it sounds just like it looks. Another tip is to learn common expressions. Instead of just saying saya mahu for I want, add context, like saya mahu makan for I want to eat. This not only expands your vocabulary, but also makes conversations richer. Lastly, immerse yourself in the culture. Listen to Malay music or watch local shows. This will help you pick up slang and everyday language naturally. With these tricks, you'll not only speak Malay, but also connect deeply with the vibrant culture around you.